Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're talking about high dollars today. Going to be showing you a review update. I first done a video about high dollars. You can see it here about 5 months ago, where I anticipated I was going to earn a couple of $100 through just tapping on WhatsApp. But as you can see, you're showing this video, high dollars has come an awful long way now. And I'm going to prove exactly how much I've earned so far. I'm also going to tell you that obviously high dollars is now live. You can now obviously get it on the mobile app as well, so on both Android and on iOS. And you can also earn high dollars in several different ways. But I'm really going to show you 4 reasons why you need to start actually earning high dollars. So if you're not into high dollars at the moment, then you need to obviously watch this video right to the very end, where we're going to show you how to go and earn high dollars for free. Okay, so we've come onto the web page here, the high.com. And this video is really going to be a very quick recap on what we've done previously. Obviously, if you want to know more into details of what I'm talking about, then obviously check out the video at the end of this video. That will go into more about how you can earn and all that sort of thing with high dollars. But I'm going to quickly go through it, do a brief update on high dollars, and also tell you 5 reasons why you should get started with high dollars today. So if you don't know, high dollars is a new cryptocurrency. It's just recently launched, and it's now available through the mobile apps, and also you can earn money very easily through Telegram and through WhatsApp. Just by doing a couple of clicks every single day, you'll start earning high dollars for free. And like I say, check out the video at the end, which will show you exactly how you can do that. And also, if you haven't already signed up for High, use the link in the description below here, and then you'll be able to sign up. You do need an invitation link to go and join High. There is an invitation link down below in the description, so check that out as well. So let's just jump over to the actual web app here, and I'm going to just log in quickly now. Okay, so as you can see here, we have got over my total balance is 6,500 USD. Okay, and that is phenomenal because we are literally about 5 or 6 months since I've joined High Dollars, and I actually predicted that I would probably earn about $200 over the course of a 12-month period. So I'm only 6 months in. I'm actually earned over $6,500 in my total balance so far. So it's very easy to do. Like I say, you've just got to come into here and you literally just click on your daily rewards tab, which will be here, and then go and then just do a couple of clicks, just answer a simple question, and you earn high dollars every single day. Now, there are different ways of earning here as well, and like I say, check out the video at the end of this video, which will go more into that. I want to cover today 4 reasons why you need to be actually joining High Dollars and why you obviously need to take action now. Now, if we go back to their main website, and it obviously says here that as you can see, they are starting to gain a bit of momentum. We've got this amount of high dollars in circulation now since they've actually gone live, and we've also got current members of over 2.2 million members, and they're heading fast for the road to 1 billion members. And because of this, why are people actually joining High? Well, the 4 main reasons they're joining High. The first one, obviously, we've just answered that. It's a rapidly growing community, global community. Okay, so they've got, like I say, over 2.2 million members already, and it is growing fast. So you don't really want to miss out on this, guys. You really want to get involved now. The second way is it's been building. They are building the world's best blockchain, the High protocol. Now, currently, they are running on the Ethereum blockchain. But once they've built their own, they will be moving everything across. So again, that's super excited to be part of this, and they are people that are actually driving forward. Now, you've also got the third reason is it's a diverse ecosystem. So basically, they're backing what their aim is. Their mission is to provide financial services, gaming, and lifestyle partnerships. So if have got a bank, which most people have a bank, and you pay lots of charges with the bank, they are there going to be a non-profit financial services. So you're going to be able to hold your money there, transfer it, pull it in and out, whatever, and you won't get any charges for that. Now, you've also got an experienced team behind High. These aren't people that are hiding in the background. You can actually see who they are. And the leaders, the same leaders that brought you crypto.com and also bitcoin.com. So they are two real experts in the field. So they know what they've done. They've built other businesses from the ground up. And obviously, they want to pursue High down the same road and obviously build that into a massive business. So there are some of the reasons why you need to get joining High now and obviously start earning. And like I say, check out the video. I'll put a link to the video above here. Check that out. That'll be tell you more about how you can actually go and earn high dollars for free. And also, you can now buy high dollars at a reduced price. So I would urge you, though this is not financial, I'm not a financial consultant or anything like that. And if you do invest in anything, always limit your investments to stuff that you possibly could lose, guys. Because remember, high dollars is a cryptocurrency. It could go up, it could go down. It's very low and it's only just started at the moment and it is on its way up, but it does fluctuate. So you have to bear that in mind when you obviously buy into any investment. But at the moment, I think it's a pretty safe investment. But again, this is not financial advice. And certainly, if you want to invest a lot of money, maybe seek financial advice for that. This is in its infancy, guys. When you first had Bitcoin actually launch, then how many people actually jumped on board? Well, I didn't really because we thought it was all not going to happen. And now look at Bitcoin now. Now, I'm not saying High is going to go to the same level as Bitcoin, but if you can get to even $20 or $30 per high dollar, yeah, you could make a lot of money because at the moment it's only you can buy it for less than $1 if you want to stake it. So make sure you check those out, and that is a great reason why you should actually get involved in high dollars today. Like I say, if you want to know more on high dollars, make sure you check out the video at the end of this video coming up shortly. I'm going to do more updates as we go through the next 12 months probably. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for those as well, so you'll get notified every time I make a new update. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. Obviously, if you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Obviously, make sure you share this video to others that may benefit from it as well. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch these videos next, which go into more details about high dollars. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.